Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Root Beer here, and I'm going to be looking at a grade 7 level Gauss contest from the University of Waterloo, specifically put out by the fine folks at the CEMC, the Center for Education in Mathematics and Computing. So if this is your first time looking at a Gauss paper, let's just briefly go over a few things. It's a 1 hour time limit. You only have an hour to write the whole thing. Calculators are allowed. And if we scroll down, we see there are multiple choice. It's a multiple choice paper. Okay? It's not like some of these other contests that you might know about that are written math contests. Nope, this is just bubble in your answer and you're done. There's only 25 questions. Now, of the 5 answers, only one, exactly one, is going to be correct. Okay? And there are other things. You can read the full instructions. There are different marking schemes. Different questions are worth different amounts. The questions do get harder as you go along, so expect, say, question 23 to be easier than question number 4. Okay? We're just going to go through this thing one at a time, or one question at a time, one question per video, and so feel free to bounce around. Now, if you'd like a copy of this paper, and I do recommend you guys try these contests before watching me go through it or finding solutions otherwise, if you'd like a copy, you can click the very first link down in the description. Get a copy for yourself, try it out, give yourself an hour, have your calculator handy. Just go through the questions, do as much as you can, and then the University of Waterloo puts out solutions. I put out solutions. Come back, compare, maybe learn how to do a question that you got stuck on before, see how well you did, that sort of a thing. We're just going to dive right into it with question number 1 in this video, and then question 2 in the next, and so on. So if you think part A is way too easy, feel free to jump straight to question number 11. Okay? And that's perfectly fine. But let's get into it with question number 1. Usually it's a very nice, simple arithmetic question, and this here is no exception. So the value of 5 times 3 minus 2 is, now notice the 5 times 3 is in brackets, so we do that first. Some of you will be able to do this in your head, others of you will just quickly grab your calculator, but I'm just going to write something down. 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 minus 2 is 13. And that's all it is, and that should be, according to the marking scheme, 5 marks for us when we bubble in E. And there we go. So that's question number 1. We're off to a great start. I will see you for more of our 2013 grade 7 Gauss paper in the following video.